So my two favorite gyms were Active Fitness and Oceanside. Being that my wife and I moved to West End, we do go to Active Fitness. Both of those gyms were really nice because they do have kind of like almost a small company type feel to them. We were able to meet the owners and talk to them at both gyms. It gives you a lot more of a personal experience. Both of the gyms do have all the weights that you would need to be able to do pretty much any type of workout. Both of those gyms do have the lowest price. If you were to stay over on the French Harbor side or somewhere over there, I definitely would go to Oceanside near Mega Plaza. I do think Workout Anytime would be a really good gym to go to. You just can't deny that their equipment is brand new, it's open, it's in great condition. If you are over in West Bay, Infinity Bay's gym is really good. It is still technically like a hotel gym, so they don't have as much stuff as all the other gyms. However, for a hotel type gym, it actually has quite a bit. So you still have pretty much anything you would need to actually be able to achieve a good workout. Islands Gym, we didn't get to be able to do a full walkthrough. I actually did contact the owner of Islands Gym 3 times. I do have some footage that you'll see at the end from when we were here about 6 months ago, my wife and I, when we were actually trying out the island to see if we wanted to live here. So there is a clip of it. Islands Gym has probably more of like a Lifetime Fitness type of vibe to it. Not so much as that it's super nice quality like granite and that kind of thing, but like towels are provided, the AC is there, they have plenty of weights and machines for pretty much everything. It's always clean, it's always organized, but more for like the exclusivity, there's almost nobody ever there, probably being because it is priced kind of high. Per month you're looking at around $100. Per week, I think you're sitting at around $50 a week if you're gonna stay here per week, and like $20 per day. However, don't quote me on that because the owner does kind of custom package depending on how long you're gonna be there and if there's multiple people, that kind of thing. So overall, all the gyms on Roatan are pretty good. I would just personally go with Active and Oceanside, but again, that's just my opinion. Take a look at the walkthrough of all of our gyms. To get to the gym in Infinity Bay, you pull up to the entrance of the resort. You do have a guard shack, so it's a nice, safe, and secure facility. They do have a fair amount of parking. They have the lower lot, as you can see on the left there, and an upper lot. Most of the time, there's plenty of open spaces, but every once in a while, when it's a busy weekend or a holiday, the lot can fill up. Once you're parked, you gotta check in the front desk, get a pass for the day. Either a day is $8 per person. If you'd like to stay for a week, it's $45 per week. A month is $60 per month, or you can get a discounted rate for 3 months straight at $150. Now you can't stay there a couple times a year and buy 3 months and check it off as you stay. It has to be 3 months straight. Once you have your passes, you need to bring them to one of the guards at the guard shack. There's one right outside the front entrance of the hotel, or you can bring it down to this guy, which is at the entrance where you pull into the parking lot. Show him the 2 passes and he'll walk you into the gym. Their gym does have AC. There's lots of cardio equipment. You have treadmills, ellipticals, TVs you can turn on and watch if you'd like to spend a lot of time there. They have machines for just about every type of workout. All their machines are newer and in great condition. I love all the motivational quotes that they have on the walls.
They have a pretty wide range of dumbbells. However, they do only go up to 50 pounds. So those of you that need a heavier weight for dumbbell workouts, doing dumbbell bench or something like that, it might not be heavy enough. Cables in the center, doing cable workouts. I was actually surprised their preset barbells actually go pretty heavy. They go all the way to 110 pounds. They have a water station with all the cleaning equipment, fresh water, lockers in the back corner. And then if you are staying in Infinity Bay, they do have a separate entrance right here to be able to come from any of their rooms, and then you use your key card to get in. The bathrooms are around the corner. They do have a separate women's and men's. The bathrooms are nice and clean. They have everything that you pretty much need or would expect in a bathroom. They have soap and shampoo and stuff for you. The men's is a little bit bigger. It does have 2 showers in it. It also has some extra lockers. Overall, Infinity Bay is a great place to work out. It's a pretty good value for its price. It has pretty much everything that you would need to be able to work out. Great place if you're closer to West Bay. The only downfalls I could see is them closing at 6 p.m. Might be a little bit too early for some, and the dumbbells only going up to 50 pounds. One of the best things about Active Fitness is it's within walking distance from West End. It's owned by locals Adrian and Melanie, who literally started the company from scratch. They actually just moved from the Turtle building across the street into this one and are still remodeling the building to fit their vision. Active has plenty of free weights to choose from and gives off kind of an old Gold's Gym vibe where people who are serious about lifting go to put in the work. In fact, a lot of the equipment was custom made by Adrian himself, which we'll show later in the video. The preloaded barbells go up to 70 pounds, which is a little bit lighter than some of the other gyms, which should suffice for the majority of people. Around the corner are their lockers. They also have their newly remodeled bathrooms that just need the finishing touches like doors and some extra lockers inside. The nice thing about Active Fitness is it will be the only gym that has saunas in both the men's and women's locker rooms. The dumbbells go up to 100 pounds. Some of them are well used, which just proves the hard work that gets put in here. Adrian did say he will be replacing a lot of the equipment and dumbbells in the near future. Going upstairs, they have some boxing equipment along with enough room to do abs, stretching, or some warm-up exercises. The lighting is also great with these mirrors for posing if you're into bodybuilding, something that Adrian also has a history in. Next to his BJ booth is their apparel and supplements. They also have their cardio equipment along the edge. They have a full functioning kitchen and provide meal planning and prep. Adrian's going to walk us through a couple of his custom built machines and the different things they can do. This one you can do chest press, and change it up to do shoulder press. Put it all the way back. And then you can do rows or lat pull downs. Going over to this machine, you can do leg curls, bench up, and then leg extensions. Same thing with this machine here. You can start off with leg curls. And then change it up for leg extensions. This machine, you can do hip abduction or change it around to do hip adduction. This was a super creative custom build. You can do shrugs, or you can raise it up a little bit and grab a bench to do incline bench press, and then adjust the bench and you'll be able to do shoulder press. They also offer a variety of creative group workouts and have their own equipment outside, like this custom built cage and tires with sledgehammers, rope, and other things they use for their group workouts. Overall, Active Fitness has a great location next to West End. They have good prices and hours. They also have a variety of equipment for any workout. I look forward to seeing what the future brings when their remodel is done and their new equipment is in. Workout Anytime is located in the center of Mega Plaza on the second story, which also makes it convenient to get any shopping done while you're there. Even though it's a new gym, we found it a little strange that they don't offer weekly rates, which makes it hard for people visiting the island to work out with them. They also don't offer discounted rates for islanders that pay 6 months to a year up front like most of the other gyms do. Although they do have longer hours than most of the other gyms, we were surprised that they close at 9 p.m. on weekdays and 6 p.m. on weekends with a name like Anytime. They have a large variety of machines and free weights which are all brand new and in excellent condition. The bathrooms are nice with plenty of showers. And I love that they offered free lockers with your own lock. They have 2 aerobics rooms where they offer plenty of classes to choose from. I would like to see more equipment to be able to do other things like abs and stretching. The preloaded barbells only go up to 60 pounds, which I feel is a little light for a gym of this caliber. The dumbbells, like everything else, are brand new and in great shape. They do go up to 100 pounds, which should suffice for most people. Trainers are located in the rooms to the right and offer a one-on-one training or a customized workout. Overall, the big variety of brand new equipment and a big open AC space makes this a great gym to try. However, as of right now, there's no drinking water or Wi-Fi, and they still have to clean up the floors more from the new construction. They also don't offer any type of food or nutrition products, but stated that a food court is going to be going in next door. I believe this gym has a promising future and will probably be back in the future after they've fully settled in. Welcome to Oceanside Gym. Members get access through a fingerprint scanner. They have a separate room for all of their group classes. I'll attach the link to their website to see what they offer. They also have a ton of different cardio equipment, lockers for rent, men's and women's bathrooms. Bathrooms are both really clean. Showers are clean and in good condition. They have plenty of different equipment to choose from, whether you prefer free weights or machines. All the equipment is clean, fairly organized, and in good condition. They offer one-on-one personal training or can create a custom program just for you. The turf is an awesome part of the gym, which allows you to get even more creative with your workouts. They even offer heavy and speed bags if you're a boxing fan. Their preloaded barbells go up to 110, which is pretty typical. A wide range of dumbbells. The dumbbells are newer and in great condition, and what's really nice about this gym is they do go up to 120 pounds, so if you are a bodybuilder, a power lifter, they should have plenty of weight for you. They have lots of different cable equipment. Overall, it's a nice, clean, open gym with plenty of options to choose from. They have a full kitchen, so on the way out, feel free to grab a cold pressed juice, a smoothie, shake. You can even grab a full meal. Any nutrition questions can be answered by their certified nutritionist, which also offers meal planning. After a nice meal, relax and recover with a massage tailored to your individual needs.
Thank you for watching my comparison video. Please leave comments with any questions you might have. Hit the like button if you enjoyed it, and subscribe if you'd like to see more stuff about Roatan.